Hey guys, so today I have compiled a lot of the pictures that I took at the family farm for you all to see, just because it means a lot to me and I think it's a really cool thing to see. And there's probably stuff in these photos that you all have possibly never seen before. There was a lot of things that I've never seen before that were still in the house. To give you all a little bit of history, this farm has been in my family for over 4 generations. It's located right in the foothills of the mountains. It's in Morgan County, Tennessee. It's on 75 plus acres of land. The majority of the land is cleared, and it was cleared for the purpose of farming. Most of my family, going back through census records and things like that, they were pretty much all their occupations are listed as either farmers or wagon makers. And so the house that is on the land was built in 1928. I'm pretty sure there were probably other homes that were on the land, but I think they were tore down or lost. There are tornadoes that come through that region, and there was actually one back a few years ago that did some damage to one of the barns and tore down a chicken coop, and other surrounding homes in the area were actually damaged and had to be either rebuilt or just completely wiped clean and started over. So with that being said, that house was built in 1928, and my great-grandfather was the one who built that house, Carl. Him and his wife, Rose, lived in it until they died. Rose died in 1986, Carl died in 1990, and they raised their 4 children there. My grandmother, Rima, the one that you all have heard me talk about before, the one that was really close to, I grew up in the house next door to her. She was a big part of my life. She grew up on this farm, and basically the place is kind of like a time capsule. Everything is still in there for the majority. The old appliances, his farm equipment, the barns, everything is intact. The house, it could definitely use a little bit of TLC and some work done on it, that's for sure. There was no running plumbing in the house. There never was. There is a well on the porch, actually, that they use to get water from. And then there's creeks that run all across the land that they use for irrigation to water crops and to water cattle and other livestock with. Basically, the house just absolutely blew me away. My grandparents obviously stockpiled a lot of things like old newspapers, Sears catalogs, obituaries, memorabilia. There's letters that we found that are postmarked. Some of them are postmarked as far back as 1940 even. Like, they kept a bunch of stuff. There's old radios, there was an old washing machine, refrigerator, egg baskets. The medicine cabinet was still stocked and still had stuff in it from when they were alive. The beds are still there. Just all kinds of cool stuff. Family photos. It's just a really amazing place, and I just really wanted to kind of take the time and share it with you guys. So I hope you all enjoy seeing the pictures of my family farm.